Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I have a SHEIN haul. Got this package today. Did not peek and open it. I do know what's in it because I ordered it obviously, but let's just go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Alright, so we have the items. And so this is everything that I purchased. So what should we start with first? Let's start with the accessories. So I'm not going to take this out of the package just yet, but the first item that I got are these set of makeup brushes, and it comes with a little makeup sponge. Next we have this set of makeup brushes, quite a few in there, and then it has this makeup sponge in there, again pink. And then we have this set of makeup brushes with this little makeup sponge. Very cute. We have this cute little purse. Take it out. And this is basically what it looks like. It's very cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Very cute. Then we have a dress. I can try these on maybe after. So the first item is this floral print, puffy sleeved, flowy dress. I don't know what it's gonna look like on, guys. It looked really cute on the model. We'll try it on. Not sure about the print, if I'm loving it or not. Then we have a cute pink crop top with a little bow. Very cute. This is the back. Then we have a button-up sweater with white buttons. Very, very cute and girly. And then we have our final item for today. We have this really dainty floral button-up cardigan. Alrighty, so there's that. So this is what the pink top looks like. I am wearing a bra, so you can see a little bit of the strap here. But yeah, this is basically what it looks like. I'm gonna go put on a cardigan and see what it looks like with that, because that's probably how I would wear it, not like this. Top looks like with the cardigan. I don't know if it's any better. It's still very booby and show-offy, but I mean, I like the cardigan. It's very girly. I love the floral print. I love the color of the pink top. Just wish it was a little longer. Makes everything cropped these days. Can we just wear like normal shirts? Why do we have to show off so much skin? Anyway, this is what it looks like. Let's try on the other cardigan and then we'll try on the dress. Alright, so here is the cardigan sweater. Very cute, so soft, so comfortable. But I would definitely wear something white or beige. But I just love the cutouts here, the detailing. And the sweater is just the coziest thing ever, and I can't wait to wear it for the fall and the winter. So here is the dress. It's okay. I like the way it fits here. This is what it looks like. Can't really see it. Sorry, that's my husband's stuff. We have our sides. This is my side, his side. Anyway, but this is basically what the dress looks like. It's kind of princessy vibes. I like it. Very flowy. And yeah, that is it for this try on. Thank you guys again for watching. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Excuse my hair, I just cut my bangs and they're kind of messy, but thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this SHEIN haul. Hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.